Stop being a prisoner of the past. This past weekend we met so many amazing people at the Confident Speaker.
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
This past weekend we met so many amazing people at the Confident Speaker Conference who were telling me that Bishal, based on your teaching, based on your coaching, and based on the things that you have taught us, I've totally transformed myself. In fact, one lady that I remember in this moment, Kripa, she used to be a prisoner of the past for many years, and I say that to inspire you because she's an inspiring lady. And for the last 3 months since she has been following me, she has implemented many of the lessons, not just learned but implemented.
Hi, I'm Kripa. I work as operations manager in Bangalore. My biggest challenge is I went through some lowest point in my life. So I was finding it very difficult to talk to people. I used to corner myself. I didn't have a courage to go in front of people and place myself in a right position. So I always it was a setback in my life. Now after when I found out this Bishal Sarkar's website, when I went through and it's been a journey, though it is a short journey till now. I thought there is a place where I can explore myself, my potential. So it's basically unlocking myself. Conference has been very practical. It is not like a Jnana session. It was very practical. It kept me holding on to every point, every word Bishal was speaking. I could relate very well to my situations and what I can expect and where I want to go. This was precisely what I was looking for. You can just rely on him and he will make changes in you. And I think there is no second thought about considering him as your mentor.
And as a result, right now she was telling me that Bishal, I'm no more a prisoner of my past. I no more corner myself. I'm moving forward together fast. I'm moving forward one level. I'm teaching people how to treat me. I'm being nice to people, but I'm also inspiring people to be nice to me. I'm being nice to myself. I'm actually taking better care of my family, but I'm also taking care of myself. So often we forget that. We are so busy doing the duties of bringing the tiffin. We are so busy bringing the toilet papers. We are so busy buying the sari. We are so busy paying the bills that we forget that we should take care of ourselves first. And the only reason many times we get distracted by the phone, by the email, is because we have lost the focus and the presence, and we become the prisoner of the past. I'm so happy and grateful for the fact that people like Kripa, people like Sarita, people like Srinivasan, people like Manit, people like Shalini, people like so many people who came to the Confident Speaker Conference. They are moving forward to an elevated level, and I want you to do the same. So you might have had some challenges in the past. Maybe you had sexual violence at home. Maybe you had failures. Maybe you had breakup. Maybe you did not treat yourself well. Maybe you felt insulted. Maybe you lost your health. But I want to let you know right now, you're not a prisoner of your past. You're a fighter of your future. And when you fight for your future by creating a better present for yourself, I can tell you that life becomes better. That's when you enjoy the finer things of your life. That's my tip for you right now. Bishal Sarkar here, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection. It's all about connection.
I'm a man on a